Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best self-cleaning automatic litter box you can buy right now, the Fumoi 95L Automatic Cat Litter Box. This product is making waves for multi-cat households, and we're about to show you why it's leading the market in innovation, convenience, and pet safety. Let's jump right in. Right off the bat, this litter box is massive. With a 95-liter capacity in the main drum and a 15-liter sealed waste compartment, it's designed to accommodate multiple cats with ease. Whether you have 1, 2, or even more feline friends, this box has room to handle their business without needing constant attention. But size isn't everything, it's the technology that makes this litter box stand out. The Fumoi is fully automated and app-controlled, which means you can manage your litter box from anywhere. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can remotely start cleaning cycles, schedule them in advance, or even monitor your cat's litter usage in real time. Plus, it sends alerts when the waste bin is full. It connects through a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, so setup is smooth and reliable. Now let's talk about safety. The box is equipped with infrared motion sensors that detect when your cat is nearby. As soon as movement is detected, cleaning stops instantly, keeping your pet safe from any mechanical mishaps. It's a smart safeguard for nervous pet parents. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't just look good, it's built for long-term convenience. The interior includes a reinforced leak-proof liner and removable waste tray that prevents messes and spills. Even better, the liner is washable and reusable, cutting down on costs and trash over time. This makes it both eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. One thoughtful touch is the quiet night mode. Cats are nocturnal, but that doesn't mean your sleep has to be disturbed. The Fumoi keeps things whisper quiet while still doing its job in the background. Now, let's quickly go over the compatibility. It supports both clumping and silica-based litters, giving you some flexibility in what you choose. Just keep in mind, it's recommended for cats that weigh more than 2.6 pounds. If your kitten is still growing, wait until they reach that threshold before introducing them to the Fumoi. And finally, in the box you get 2 rolls of garbage bags to get started right away, making the initial setup even easier. If you're a busy pet owner, live in a multi-cat household, or just want to minimize your daily cleanup routine while keeping your home odor-free and your pets happy, this is the solution you've been waiting for. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more no-nonsense product reviews. And let us know in the comments what pet tech you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.